Thank you. Hi there, everybody. Mrs. I, week 5 of Food Revolutions. We're moving fast, aren't we? Yes, we are. This week, I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see what we're going to be doing. I hope you all have your checkpoints in. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4 checkpoints in by now. So I'm looking for those if you haven't done them. If you're having problems or questions or just need somebody to be there while you're doing them, please come to my office hours or come to pod time. Miss Rose and I are standing by waiting to hear from somebody, always. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen with you, and this is what we're looking at. This is Food Revolutions and Sustainability, week 5. This assignment is due Friday, October 16th. And we had Monday off, so you've got 4 days to catch up on this if you haven't started. Okay, so what we're going to do for our pre-work is you're going to watch a TED Talk video on modern farming innovations. This is very interesting. You're going to watch a video on the future of farming and on the future technology and innovations that's happening with farming. Farming is in the modern age now. We are no longer out there with manual tools digging in the dirt. Some of us are, but generally speaking, if you're running an industrial size farm, you are pretty high tech. Your first activity, you're going to learn about water conservation and what best practices are concerning water and also land for your second activity. So you're going to be talking about land and water use for both of these activities. And both activities are building a glossary for you. You're going to write down terms and define them and build a glossary that will enable you to understand sustainability, the ecosystem, and there's also a glossary of terms included in this week's work for you. Finally, for checkpoint 5, you're going on a trip. Well, you're going on a web quest, and you can go on this on your phone. What you will do is you're going to look for different apps that are available to farmers. That's part of your assignment, is to research apps that you can maybe, if you're growing carrots, you need a sprinkler system for your carrots. You're going to find an app that can maybe regulate the water when it gets watered, how much water it gets, whether it needs water or not. There's all kinds of apps out there these days to help farmers. So you're not out there necessarily with the hose or a watering can. This is something where you can actually take your phone and water your garden. Okay, so this is due, and now this is not heavy lifting this week because it's only 4 days, but this is an important week's study. Checkpoint 5, your essay was due last week. Now, if you're still working on your essay, come to our live class, which we are having next week. Check your calendar for live classes, and we will be reminding you. I think the next class we have here is on the 23rd, and that's going to be, I think, the final live class for this quarter. So make sure you're getting your work done. See us if you're not. We're here to work with you, okay? Give us a call or check in. Let us know. And if you do not have your checkpoints done, you're going to hear from me. Okay. I'm going to sign out now and you go get to work.